Guys, let's try to look at how we can add items in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, it's not like other programs. In here, we use what we call columns. We use what we call columns. These are columns that are marked in color blue. Then we have what we call rows. The rows are marked in color green. So if these are rows, then these are columns. So we base on to this to understand what we are doing. So if you really understands this, then it will be very easier for you to know how to read cells. So if I click here, the active cell is shown here by yellow marks. It is F13, but briefly you can just look here to see the active cell. So in here, if I start and I decide to make some sort of a database, or I entered some data here, like let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, uh, Thursday, Friday. Here we are going to look at a formula that can help us to calculate, let's say, boys that were present on Monday, then girls that were present, girls. Then in here we can as well say uh, students, students, students register. That is the title. It's a students register. It's our title. Basically, you can increase the size for visibility. You can try to increase the size for visibility. In here, you can, well, you can increase for visibility. It's what we are doing so that people can see very well our tutorial, so that we can increase the size. Now in here we can basically do what we call we can come up with items like, you can as well put here bridge tech, that's bridge technologies, then DNA 2010, at gmail.com. Well, we may have number of girls or boys here like 4, then girls were 6. The total will be 10, but we want to get the simplest numbers. We don't want to do complexity of things. Then we can have, then these were 4, and have 5. These were 5 also. You can have 4, 5, then these were 7. Now we can increase the size here. so that we can view our work properly. So if we want to get the total, so what we can do, total. So in here you have only to well, let's try to look into the total. That was by the way. Let's look into the total. So in here, what is that formula that we need to get the total? The formula is very simple. You can as well write properly. You use your head to calculate. Then here you put 10. But that one will not be right. We shall look at that. We have to put the formula. Equal sum, open brackets. After opening the brackets, then include the cell. Don't write it yourself. When I place here the cell, active cell is 10, F10. It's F10 which is active, but don't put yourself to F10. You use a mouse to select, then drag up to here. You drag from 4 up to here, cell this and cell this, then you shift on the keyboard, close the brackets, then place enter. So we have got 10. We can increase here the size. So if I say that 10, we can all say this one is 2, this is 8, and I put just 8, then I can increase the size because I don't know the formula. If you don't know the formula, it does not save you. If you don't know the formula, it doesn't save you. What will make a difference is here, that when you click just straight here, look, what you have in the formula bar, you only have 8. The true answer is here. The true answer is here. When I click here, the formula is represented here. So still even here, I can go and I say equal sum, open brackets, include the range. The range is from here up to here. Our range is from here up to here. Then you say enter. You see we have got 8. So this 8, when I click like this, we have got the formula, not like the previous 8 that I had. If you just put 6 here, you won't be having a formula. So the examiner will just come and click here on your answer. If the formula is not represented, it means you have just done guesswork. Equal sum, open brackets, include the range, then shift, close the brackets, then press enter on your keyboard. Equal sum, open brackets, include the range, shift, close the bracket, press enter. Equal sum, shift, put the range, then close the brackets, press enter. So we have got our answers here. You can increase the size for visibility. That is it for now. Thank you.